With all the images captured, part 3 looks at bringing everything together with post-production and delivery strategies that maximize your business potential. The post-production workflow. We delve into efficient culling and retouching using AI tools such as Imagine AI and eVoto, plus methods for delivering digital galleries that are easy for your clients to access and enjoy. Album designs and upselling techniques. Album sales can add real value to your business. I share methods for designing personalized albums and strategies to upsell, targeting both the couple and their families with products that reflect their experience of the day. Pricing with confidence and strategy. I've saved pricing for last to avoid overwhelming you early on. But if you've made it this far, you're committed to running a profitable business. We break down fixed, variable, and value-based pricing models to show you how to price your services confidently, based on both your costs and the value that you bring. In part 3, you'll develop the skills to finalize projects professionally, attract repeat business, and grow profitably with a pricing structure that reflects your true worth.